welcome back. In the previous lecture, we discussed what an array is and how we can manipulate or modify an array using different methods. Sometimes we need to sort an array in different ways. JavaScript allows us to do that. Let us see the agenda of this session. We will be learning what array sorting is. After that, sort method, then numeric sort method. Then we will see what a compare function is. Then you will be having an assignment. So basically, sorting an array means to arrange the elements in an array in a certain order. Let us see the ways in which we can sort an array. Sort. This method sorts an array in the descending or ascending order. Let fruits equal to mango, banana, apple, kiwi. Fruits.sort. Console.log fruits. Output apple, banana, kiwi, mango. So the array is sorted in the alphabetical order. First element starting with A, then B, K, and lastly M. Numeric sort. By default, the sort function sorts values as strings. You can easily apply it on a string array because apple comes before banana. That is, A comes before B. But when it comes to numeric values, as they are also sorted as string. For example, technically 100 is bigger than 25. But in this case, 100 comes before 25 because 2 in 25 is bigger than 1 in 100. Because of this, the sort method will produce incorrect results when we use it with numeric arrays. But there is a way to fix this. We can use the compare function. Let us see what compare function is. The purpose of the compare function is to make numeric array sorting easier. The return value of the compare function should always be negative, 0, or a positive value, depending upon the argument. Syntax of compare function is function a, b, sorting logic, return value. Example, function a, b, return a minus b. It compares two values and sends the value to the compare function and sorts the values according to the returned value, which can be negative, positive, or 0. You will understand it clearly when you see an example. If there are two values, 50 and 100, it will compare them according to the sorting logic. A minus B. 50 minus 100 equal to minus 50. Minus 50 will be returned. So 50 is lower than 100. 50 will come before 100. So the rule will be, if returned value less than 0, A comes before B. If returned value greater than 0, B comes before A. If returned value equal to 0, A and B remain unchanged. Let us see an example without compare function. Let array equal to 40, 100, 50, 28. Array.sort. Console.log array. Output 100, 20, 40, 50, 8. We will get the wrong result as sort method will sort them as a string. Now we are going to use our compare function. Let array equal to 40, 100, 50, 28. Array.sort function a, b. Return a minus b. Console.log array. Output 8, 20, 40, 50, 100. Fantastic. So the array has been sorted in the right way. It takes each two elements and compares them and checks the difference between them. And according to the rules that we discussed before, it sorts them. Now suppose we want to sort an array with string values and the longest name comes last, when we can do it in this way. Let name equal to John, Ben, Stephen, Monica. Function len compare a, b. Return a.length minus b.length. Names.sort len compare console.log names. Output Ben, John, Monica, Stephen. In this example, we have created a compare function called len_compare. In order to sort the array according to their lengths, the function checks the length of two strings, and according to the length, it sorts the array. This is how we sort the array in JavaScript. With some practice, you will find it easy to work with arrays. Can you complete this assignment now? Use the correct method to sort this array alphabetically. Let sports equal to cricket, football, hockey, baseball. In the next lecture, we will learn about the next concept of arrays. Till then, keep practicing and stay connected.